So what else can we say from the relevant contemporary theories that have been published? There's a further article, The Dynamics of Legislative Gridlock, written by Sarah Binder in 1999. I'll also link you the details to this article. Um, Binder, 1999. Now, she used the example of a historic example, like we've done in some of our earlier sessions, to argue that congressional elections in the second half of 20th century America um, exhibit a trend. She argues that mandates have the effect of allocating to power relatively ideologically similar parties in Congress. So mandates are not conferred when parties are extremist. So for a mandate to be conferred, it has to be a moderate party that's relatively compromising. What's the implication? Well, winning a fair and free election automatically confers a mandate for governing. Well, no, it's winning a free and fair election. If the party is moderate and somewhat compromising, then a mandate for governing is conferred. So this kind of so mandates are not always conferred. They sometimes are, but we have the question therefore of arguing, well, okay, how often are they conferred? Um, so mandates sometimes conferred when compromising. So immediately we're getting a huge spread of potential arguments, which our job is to consider which is more powerful, which is weaker, which do we agree with most, and maybe illustrating a collection of the most important ones and evaluating those against the weaker ones is a good argument to go for in our essay. But a potential solution to this issue is theory of deliberative democracy. The theory that parties are elected as representatives. These parties then go forth and negotiate. They compromise between different party proposals. In Britain, for instance, we elect MPs, and then the view is that they should sort policy out. It doesn't matter what our mandate is. We don't have a mandate. It's too complex. Let's not waste our time simplifying it down to a mandate upon which they have to govern. We put them in charge. We believe in them. They get on with their job. It resembles a technocratic government, which we discussed. We put them in power because we have faith in them, and we have faith in them to do their job and to govern us. We don't require that they adhere to a specific political mandate. That's not what gives them authority. So a strong solution, I think, is this idea of deliberative democracy.